Hey, day two with this little Hyundai Santa Fe. I'm gonna drain the, I hate saying, the laundry detergent out of it, and I'm gonna see if we can bring it back to life by putting oil in it and oiling the cylinder. But let's see. It's gonna get all over my hands. Oh. 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 It smells good. Where's the rest of it? I figure this thing's gonna be draining for a while. It takes like 5.5 quarts. Brad only put 6.5 in it. Oof.
Ooh, that's a lot, bud.
Yeah, she's still going. We'll be back. Drained the soap, filled it with oil, pulled the plugs, and manually oiled the cylinders with transmission fluid. And we have life. It took a second. I don't understand how it's not knocking. That's a lot. All I smell is soap.
Here, I'll keep it going.
It runs better now. Never mind. That's mostly transmission fluid. Well, the smoke is clearing. She's not happy. I'll be right back. We're back. Go ahead and cut it off. I'm not really understanding why this car's not blowing up. I mean, they blow up on their own. What do you think, Ethan?
See, he's smoking. He's got this drinker running.
But why won't it blow up? The soap went in blue. It came out silver. So, what's your professional opinion? Why won't it blow up? Is it because we're trying to blow it up?
Yes.
Okay, let's take extreme care. So we drained the soap, put oil in it, manually oiled the cylinder so it had compression, because that's why it cut off yesterday. Why isn't it? It doesn't even show a fucking misfire anymore. It's actually physically running better than whenever it was donated to us to do all this.
It just has a bunch more noise. They just...
Car for sale. car for sale. I mean, it's actually really nice. Okay, it's got one spot right there with paint rub. It's got 200,000 miles on it. This is the only Hyundai in the world you're gonna, well, I mean, the seats are, god damn it. The seats are nasty, but I mean, overall, the whole car's in good shape. I mean, if we would have fixed it, I probably would have just bought it. This is the one Hyundai and Kia product that you can't kill. So I guess the 2.4s are good, the GDI engines. The turbo motors are absolutely shit. We've gotten lucky with my wife's car, but I don't know. We're gonna find something else. Something has to kill it. I'd like to be able to, race gas? I'll put some E85 in it.
I'm going to put gasoline in the crank.
I don't want to do that. I don't want an explosion. I don't want that kind of explosion because then it leads to a massive fire afterwards.
Oh, we have fucking fire extinguishers?
It's not what you think. We've been there and it sucks. So, what do you think? I kind of just want to run off straight. I kind of want to like get as much fuel as possible out. It's got over half a tank in it, and just put E85 in it. Let's just see what it runs like on straight E85. What are we gonna do? Burn a piston? Look at my eyes. So old. No, that's the fucking that's the cat fucking smoking. And it doesn't help that we have all the transmission fluid on top. Shit. Hi, we're back. Why are my eyes always looking this way? Anyways, so the Hyundai lives, and I think we found a way to get rid of it. Here's my mother bottle. This is my NX bottle and a scale. I think. Let's just see what it'll take. Go on. This ought to do it, guys. Yeah. If a max capacity dry shop won't kill a Hyundai, then you need to go out and buy a fucking Hyundai. Stay tuned. Alright, so this Hyundai won't die. This little guy. Laundry detergent didn't kill it. We put engine oil in it. Somehow it hasn't kicked the rod out. I don't know how. Terrence changed the oil on it. We manually oiled the cylinders and fired right back up. We pinned it at 5,000 RPM. It didn't kill it. We have a plan. Cautionary measures. Where'd the fire extinguisher go? Follow me on an adventure. See this? That is a nitrous line going into a 10-pound bottle with a fresh charge of 8 pounds of nitrous. We have a safety selfie camera and throttle pedal holder doodad. That thing. Bruh, there ain't no safety to this. What'll happen is, Brad, I'm gonna get you to reach in and hit the fucking key. When I hear it start, I'm gonna open the bottle. And I want, for the record, Brad said he wasn't worried about moving his car, correct?
Yeah, I ain't worried about it.
Yeah, what?
I ain't worried about it.
Ain't worried about what?
Anything hitting my car.
New goal. New goal. That's his, this is the only time Terrence ever wears safety glasses. Shit. Okay. I don't know what to do here. Alright, fuck it, let's go. Ready? I don't know how I'm gonna chop this shit together. Go ahead. That didn't work. No, we're just gonna bolt the fucking thing back on. It was loose. I was wondering why it ran so well.
I mean, it was still good.
I don't get it.
A little bit.
Take two. All right. Now we're... Let's do it again. All right. Yep. Separated. The entire airbox.
It exploded the intake.
It was still running. Huh.
It exploded the intake.
It still runs though.
Yeah, it does still run.
It exploded a couple. I mean, so what do we do?
Plastic intake. All the nitrous went to cylinder 4, not any other cylinder.
Sound like a little bit of a knot.
Damn it, Hyundai. What the hell? Look, as a mechanic, I own a shop.
This is why I put
Yeah.
safety glasses on.
As a mechanic, we see these cars all the time because they need engines. And here we are. We're trying to fucking kill one and it's not dying. Treat them like shit. They love it. All right, Shannon, run away. Yeah. Brad, you gonna do it? You don't have to turn that camera on. Just go ahead.
Anything out the bottom?
No! How?
I like this. It smells so clean.
How?
Brought to you by Tide. Scared the shit out of me. It does smell good. In a can air filter. I've never seen it with the little tag.
We'll do this before. Did it kill itself?
Yeah, it died. Try it. Yep.
It's locked. She been a rod.
Now we gotta push it inside. Well. We got pieces. Like, Jesus. We definitely broke a piston with all the nitrous. So now, what are you doing? We're gonna remove this. I want to see what the bearings look like. See what our laundry detergent test was. I'm gonna smack it with something. Brad, hit it with Terrence. Where's the bearing at? Is it in there? Yep. Yeah, it is.
It was turning.
Was it? Be careful, don't cut yourself then. Ooh.
Oh, maybe it wasn't. Yeah, a little bit.
Alright, so our theory is the laundry detergent was actually working, but it was the nitrous and excessive revolutions that was killing it. I mean, not bad. If you're stuck in a really bad situation, you have to use laundry detergent, you probably can. And then we can put a motor in your car. And here's a piston. And the rest of the... I like the oil pump, though. Don't do this.
The piston grenade.
Don't do this.
And
took out the oil pump?
Took out the oil pump.
Yep. Durable Hyundai I've ever seen.